How to see Street View in Google Maps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Street View on Google Maps. Whether you want to check out a neighborhood, preview a vacation spot, or just explore the world, Street View has got you covered. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone or go to maps.google.com on your browser. Here, type in an address, business, or landmark in the search bar. Once you find the location, tap on it to bring up the info card at the bottom of the screen. If Street View is available, you'll see a small thumbnail image in the top left corner of the info card. Tap on the thumbnail. You're now in Street View mode. Swipe to rotate the camera and explore the surroundings. To navigate different streets or moving forward, tap on arrows. Pinch to zoom in and out for a closer look. Once you're done exploring, just tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the main map. And that's it. Now you know how to use Street View to explore any location without even leaving your home. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Google Maps tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.